everybody, my name is Stephanie Flores and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bracelet. So the supplies you're going to need is one pair of scissors and 3 different colors, fabric, whatever colors you want. You can get these at Michael's. And this one's optional, but this one will help a lot, is tape. Okay, so what you're going to do first is you're going to grab one of the fabrics. You're going to take out a piece and you're going to measure your wrist. You're going to give it some extra room to make sure you don't make it too small. And then once you measure it, you're going to cut it. And you're going to do this with all 3 of them. So after you cut them, you're going to have pieces that look like this. What you're going to do, you're going to line them up like so, and you're going to knot them so that they stick together. Like that. And this is where the piece of tape is going to come in handy. You're going to grab a piece of tape and then you're going to tape it to the end part so it doesn't go anywhere, and you can use both of your hands. And what you're going to do is you're just going to braid it. So if you don't know how to braid, you take the outside piece and you bring it to the middle. And you do that on the other side. You take the outside piece and you bring it to the middle. And you continue that. Outside piece, bring it to the middle. Outside piece, bring it to the middle. And you're just going to continue that until the very end. You can make the braid as loose or as tight as you want it to be. I prefer the braid to be a little bit looser so that you can see the colors a little bit more, and it makes the bracelet a little bit chunkier. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can make the bracelet thicker by doing 2 more of these bracelets and then braiding those into each other. And that's it. Once you get to the end, you're going to knot it, just like you did in the beginning. And there you go. Here's the final product. You can take the tape off now.